So why choose landscape architecture? Our landscape architecture is, well, it's the newest. Well, it's relatively younger than the youngest program of the 9 programs in College of Technology, and it has yet to really shoot up. No, I suppose it's more on because of the how do you say this? Probably we need to promote it more because I really feel that landscape architecture is quite important. No, and I will explain why. Okay, so we are experiencing this climate change. No, it's not a joke anymore. No, we have been experiencing heavy flooding, worse storms, and other calamities in the past years. And this is all due to what we call placeless planning. No, we have been neglecting nature, and it should not be like that. Um, and there is a profession that really that caters to this. No, and it should be very relevant, more so at this point in our history, no? So ano nga ton sa bat permit kunyara sa mga flooding or natural calamities? There is what you call engineering solutions. And engineering solutions costs billions, if not trillions of dollars. You create dams, you create dikes, and then you manipulate the earth with concrete. You manipulate it to your will, no? And more often than not, it's not the perfect solution at all. Now, here comes landscape architecture. If you have heavy engineering solutions, landscape architecture can also produce its own solutions. This is something that landscape architects do. No, this is what you call artificial wetlands for flood control. You can see this in other countries in the world. No, they create green spaces that would alleviate flooding and excess water. So take a look at that. No, this is a plan that they're doing in Thailand. No, and they are saying that in 50 years, a huge portion of Thailand will be submerged in water. And now they are planning to do massive works in flood control. And some of the methods that they have come up with is artificial wetlands, no, which can get excess water from rainfall and store it for other uses. No, it not only secures your city for flooding, it also greens up and livens up your spaces. This is where landscape architects thrive, and this is where landscape architects this is where landscape architects are needed. Hindi lang ni siya landscaping maubra sang grotto or mabutang sang garden, although that's still that's part of their jobs, but in a bigger sense, these are what landscape architecture needs to be doing. Landscape architects rather. Okay, so a landscape architect is not just a landscaper. Okay, landscape architecture involves the planning, design, management, and nurturing of the built and natural environment. It is a marriage of the built and natural environment. No? So landscape architects work to improve human and environmental health in all communities. Plans and designs, parks, campuses, streetscapes, trails, plazas, residences, and other projects that strengthen communities. Okay, so this is again the hierarchy of construction. No? This is what I discussed earlier with regard to architecture. So landscape architect is under here. No, it is an allied profession. Okay. However, if the project is landscape based, the landscape architect becomes the prime professional. No? And again, he or she will work with other important professionals in the field of construction and design. Now, what is expected in Bachelor of Landscape Architecture? Similarly, although it is more specific, we do creative exercises, landscape design developments, landscape utilities development, site planning works, specifications of vegetations, softscape designs, hardscape designs, and planting layout design. Okay. Now, it is up to you to choose what vegetation to put in a specific place, no? And it is not that easy na mapili ka lang, no? Mabutang ka sang pine tree, makabutang ka ba sang pine tree sa tunga sang desierto? No, you cannot, no? Or you choose what is best or indigenous in each place, no? That would reflect the character of the place that you're working on and things like that. So here is what you do, no? We will teach you how to do conceptual sketches for design development, no? From small parks to massive developments, no? You will see the importance of landscape architecture and how it relates to the whole project. Okay, this is an example of a site sectional concept. Okay, you will see how it relates to your paths, your walkways, etc., and what kind of vegetation, trees, shrubs, and other plantings are needed to promote a holistic environment in the place that you are designing. See, this is how a marriage of hardscape and softscape looks like. See, no? It not only beautifies the space, but it also promotes a healthy environment, which I feel is more important in this time of huge climate crisis that we are experiencing in the earth. So now, in the side of academics, no, landscape architecture has less mathematics. Less mathematics nga, ano lang ang mathematics nga ara sa landscape architecture? I believe it's just two. It's algebra and statistics. Wala na dayon, no? And it's more hands-on design, and landscape design leans more towards creativity. Okay. Sir, hindi ko kabalo mag-drawing. It's not a problem. Everything can be taught, no? I'm not saying that an artist doesn't have an advantage, but what I'm saying is, if you're poor in sketching, all of that can be taught in 1 year. Okay. Okay. So after 4 years, yes, only 4 years. 4 years lang si landscape architecture. 4 years of Bachelor in Landscape Architecture course, and 3 to 6 months review and 2 days of PRC board exam, you are now a landscape architect. Okay? So mas malipot ang imong professional course, no? And this is what a landscape architect versus a landscape architecture graduate, no? So what you can do as a graduate of landscape architecture, you can be a site layout technician, computer-aided design professional, visualization technician, project manager, site construction supervisor, or a contractor. While if you are a licensed landscape architect, you can do all of the above, and you can sign and design, no? Design design and be the signatory of the project of a landscape design project. Okay, so how much does our profession make in landscape architecture? If you will be going into practice on your own, of course, the landscape architect can ask for 10 to 20% of the total construction cost. No? Duties are preparation of landscapes, design, softscape and hardscape design, documents, materials use specifications, identification of proper vegetation for specific sites, provision, etc. So this is separate. More often than not, the landscape design is separate from the building design. Okay, and in larger scale projects, it really needs to be separated. No? For instance, you have secured a project for a beach resort. No, so the project for the buildings and whatnot are separate from the budget of the landscaping the resort, which let's say it costs 1.5 million, and you negotiated 10% of the cost. Your fee will be, of course, 150,000 pesos, which will be divided in terms of the completion of the project. Okay, continuing on, we have determined that a landscape architect actually earns more while working abroad, no, than other design professionals. Why? Because konti lang gid ang landscape architects, no? So, for instance, in Singapore, they might bring in from 3,600 to 8,500 dollars. No, that's equivalent to 120,000 to 300,000 pesos per month. National average, of course, mas lubo if you are employed privately. But again, you can choose to work for government and work up the ranks as an architect 1 to architect 5. And of course, BPO is also available for your ventures. No? Don't worry, madamo gid. If you will become a landscape architect in the future, your job is quite secured. No? Why? Because, okay, let me get back to that later. Okay, so of course, the landscape architecture program is sharing facilities with BS Architecture, with a few differences, of course. No, although you have your own studio, but you will be sharing a lot of the facilities that we have in BS Architecture, especially in your first 2 years. No, but you have your own studios that is specific, no, to your program. Audiovisual room, CAD, of course, similar. Okay, so balik kita na rin. No? The University of San Agustin is the only school in Panay which offers Bachelor in Landscape Architecture. Actually, it is only one of 4 schools in the Philippines which offers landscape architecture. Now, USA has a consortium with all 4 landscape architectural schools. The 4 schools are, of course, San Agustin, UP Diliman, San Carlos University, and Bulacan State University. San Carlos University is in Cebu. No? So, 4 lang kaeskulahan ang may BLA diri sa Pilipinas. No? It's quite a small group. No? And that is why I believe it is very important that this program should be developed more. Okay? Okay, balik kita dito. So why choose BLA, Bachelor in Landscape Architecture? Think about this, no? There are 120,000 civil engineers in the Philippines. There are 50,000 architects in the Philippines. Licensed ni siya, ladies and gentlemen. But there are only 500 plus. I think it's 560, no? There are only 560 landscape architects in the Philippines as of 2020. Okay, so that's something that you need to consider. Okay, if you will become a licensed landscape architect, I'm really sure that you will be your professional life will be very busy, and you will be quite compensated well also. Okay, so with that, thank you very much. That's landscape architecture. Please consider joining landscape architecture. You will not be disappointed. Thank you very much.